And orchestra and is sitting absolutely at always